So you've probably heard all the hype about collagen. Watch this video to learn how it's so vital to your health and, more importantly, ways that you can incorporate collagen into your diet. Hey there, Radiant Beauties. I'm Leanne Weaver, your host of Radiant Lifestyle TV, empowering you to live a healthy, happy, radiant life that you love by sharing holistic health and beauty tips and tricks. Please make sure to subscribe and also click on the little bell to be notified every single week when I release new episodes. In this episode of Radiant Lifestyle TV, I'll be teaching you all about the top benefits of collagen and the most effective ways that you can incorporate it into your diet. So what exactly is collagen? It's actually the most abundant and important structural protein in your body. And it's really important that you add it into your diet or supplement because, especially as we get older, collagen is naturally depleted. Collagen has so many benefits, but I'm going to cover what I think are 4 of the most important. Collagen provides strength and elasticity of the skin, and it also helps to prevent and reduce the signs of wrinkles. It can also improve the skin's moisture and reduce dryness. It helps to increase the strength of nails and also to make them grow faster, which is something that personally I've really noticed. It also helps to improve the strength and the growth of your hair. The second benefit is that it helps to build muscle. Collagen is high in protein and it's a major structural component in muscle. So in that respect, it helps you to build muscle and also to accelerate the burning of fat. The third benefit of collagen is that it helps to improve digestion. Collagen is a component of the connective tissue in the gut, so it can help strengthen and support the digestive tract lining and also help with leaky gut and other digestive issues. And the fourth benefit of collagen that I'm going to talk about is that it reduces joint pain and inflammation. Collagen is abundantly found in the joints and tendons, so it helps to reduce inflammation in these areas and also helps with conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. All right, now that you know some of the benefits of collagen, I'm going to talk about 3 easy ways that you can incorporate it into your diet. Do you already incorporate collagen into your diet? If so, let me know in the comments below. So number 1 way to incorporate collagen into your diet is with collagen protein powder. Make sure that you choose hydrolyzed collagen in your collagen protein. That's really important because collagen is made up of amino acids. That's basically what all proteins are made up of. And the hydrolyzed collagen breaks up the amino acids into really small units that are easily absorbed into water, or any liquid really, whether that's hot or cold. So collagen protein powder is great to add to your smoothies. I recently did a video recipe for a green chocolate smoothie that included collagen, and I'll include the link so you can check it out. You can also add a scoop of collagen to your bottled water. This is a really convenient way that you can get some into your diet, drink it throughout the day. It's unflavored, so you can't really taste it. There are blends out there that do have flavors, natural flavors, but from my experience, I've really just used the unflavored ones, and you can't even notice they're there. Again, great way to incorporate into your daily routine. You can also add collagen into your Bulletproof coffee or fatty coffee. I do love a really good Bulletproof coffee. I like to make it myself, and sometimes I'll add a scoop of collagen in there. Again, similar to adding it to your water. You can't taste it at all, and it blends really nicely into the coffee. I'd love to hear if you guys have tried Bulletproof coffee before, and if so, if you've added collagen to it. Let me know in the comments below. I've added links in the description to some of the collagen protein powders that I use, but there's a lot out there on the market, so just make sure you're getting a nice, clean, hydrolyzed protein. The second way you can incorporate collagen into your diet is bone broth. You've probably heard a lot about bone broth. I would love to know if you've tried it or not. It is a cost-effective way, and it's pretty simple to make yourself. So I have a little treat for you guys. I have a bonus that you can click on the link in the description, but I put together a little summary guide of some of the benefits of collagen and collagen promoting foods, and also some recipes including bone broth and some other foods that promote collagen production. So check it out in the description. The third way to incorporate collagen into your diet is a little indirect, but it's to incorporate collagen promoting foods into your diet. So vitamins and nutrients such as vitamin C and zinc, those are just a couple of the main ones, but they actually help to promote the production of collagen in your body. So they act like a precursor, again, to help the production of collagen. I did a video on some of the top beauty promoting foods, and I talked a little bit about what foods contain high amounts of vitamin C and zinc to help promote collagen, so you can click on the little link and check out that video. I'd really appreciate it. So now you know some of the benefits of collagen and also some effective ways to incorporate it into your diet. But I want to make it even easier for you guys, so I've created a really awesome summary and recipe guide that you can get for free. The download link is in the description, and in that little summary guide, you will find some of the key benefits of collagen and also some recipes including bone broth and some really awesome recipes for collagen promoting foods. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, let me know what you think. If you like this video, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it, and also I'd really love it if you would share it with your friends that you think would find this information helpful. And if you haven't already, please make sure that you subscribe and click on the little bell to be notified every single Friday when I release new episodes. So again, guys, I would love to know if you're already using collagen in your diet. Let me know how you're using it. Or if not, I hope you've gotten some good ideas from this video, and let me know how you plan to incorporate it into your diet in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have an amazing week, and I will see you next Friday. Bye, guys.